Good morning. I'll be talking Class 26, the Performance Angus Bulls. I think as you turn around and start to analyze this class, we find two bulls that offer more visual performance, bigger scaled cattle that I think just offer this operation some more growth potential. Certainly from a visual standpoint, again, those would be 2 and 4. Of those, as we begin to look at the data, 2 kind of checks all the boxes and just has a phenomenal set of genetic predictors from cavities and light birth weight all the way to over 100 there at a year, and some carcass figures that'll certainly keep in mind those CAB premiums and things that this operation seeks to gain. I also think that 2 is just a little more genuine in terms of his rib shape and the dimension that he offers there to the center portion of his body. We go ahead and sort those 2-4. As we start looking at the other 3 bulls, I don't know that you can just say that one is an outlier in terms of numbers, but again, that 4 bull, we like that length. He's sound structured. He's good in terms of the build of his hip and hind leg, so we go ahead and put him in second. But as you start comparing him to the 2 bulls below him, he's certainly a little flatter in terms of his rib shape and deeper chested. We'd like to change that about him. For us, we went ahead and went 4 over 1 in the middle pair, again, just for that added scale. And then between 1 and 3, we had a little bit of give and take in those 2 bulls. We thought that the 1 bull was a longer bodied calf that was more genuine in terms of the thickness that he offered out of his hip. Calf that's also a little square and truer as he plants off both ends. If you want to tie into his advantage in marbling and to some reasons, if you had that opportunity, you could certainly do that. The 3 bull is one that's certainly up-headed. He gives you a really balanced look from the side, but he's probably the shortest bodied and the lightest muscled bull in class. He also offers the least amount of cavities and the most birth. Just doesn't have that spread in terms of those growth predictors that we would like to see. Kind of a challenging class. We're real comfortable with that class winner. We cut that 4, and then the other 3 we cut 2-2. So placings are 2-4, 1-3 with cuts of 4, 2, and 2.